Paul's removing an old plastic clear bra that was down the sides. He already did the front bumper, but this clear bra is about 19 years old. It's unbelievably difficult to get off, and nobody would tackle it at a shop that installs it. They said just grind it off and have the car repainted. I was like, no way, the paint on this car is perfect. So I talked Paul into doing it. So here he is with a hair dryer and some plastic spatulas. We actually use the Bondo brand of plastic spatula. It's very sharp. And some 91 proof alcohol. Okay, here's the good thing about this. We're out here. Paul's got...
Are you filming right now?
Band-Aids.
Oh, God.
But we need 91% isopropyl to take this
And then you
off. Sometimes you grind your holes.
Look at my hand. It's all blasted.
Yeah. So this is not easy to get off when it's been sitting. But you guys can get an idea here how worn and cracked this is. The best system is 91% alcohol to break down the glue.
Well, break down the outside of the skin, yeah.
To break down the skin, right. So there's quite the process here.
It's a bitch. Definitely horrible.
Also,
can you hear it sound?
No, hold on a second. Also, we use this, what is this wheel we got, Paul? 3M.
It's like a big eraser.
Yeah, this kind of works like an eraser.
When you take emblems off and you're taking that 3M sticky shit off.
So there you go. You get a little idea of what it's for.
It's like a big eraser.
It is kind of like using a big eraser on the side of your car. You can't go straight to the acrylic though. This will not take off. That closed door, Paul?
Yeah.
It won't take that off. It won't take the film off. You actually have to get the film down, and then there's some little spots of glue, you can barely see them, that are still there. It's perfect for that. But
like this stuff.
Yeah, exactly, just like that.
You take this off and then it just makes a big glue bomb.
Right. So we'll show you the finished product. I mean, there's not really a lot of, it's just a lot of elbow work. There's nothing.
You got to use a heat gun
with
all this, but since you're filming,
there's not really a lot for us to show you how to do it. It's just a pain.
Well, let them show the thing real quick.
Yeah, go ahead and shoot it.
Got to get it really hot first.
Right, and we didn't actually want to use a heat gun because
melt the paint.
It would be too much. We'd melt the paint.
Yeah, because this is already like, what, 250 degrees?
How much pressure would you say you're putting on this? Quite a bit.
Quite a bit. You can see I'm distorting the metal.
Right.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Do you think the paint would hold up on any other car?
I don't know. I mean, it's probably a case by case, but I think you could probably do this on some cars and fuck it up.
Yeah, for sure.
You know?
I mean, it's going through some pretty hardcore abuse.
Yeah. And then it works better when you get it warm, obviously, like you can see, right? Up here, like, see how it doesn't cut good?
Right.
Then you get it warm, and then you shoot it ahead of it. But, I mean, it really is a technique. But, I mean, look how sharp that is. So you got to be careful.
Right, let me show that. I feel like an oldie doing a video. Let me show that.
Yeah, that's okay. So, I mean, there is a difference. So, it seems to work better like this. We can have more of a control. And then once you get underneath, then it'll come down. But if you overheat it, then it just melts it and leaves a big glue fest behind. So now this is cold down here, so it won't cut.
Right.
And then it's not like going like this. It's like at an angle, like a guillotine. But don't force it until it starts. Until you see the heat getting it, and then it starts going. Like this. That's why actually it's kind of better to clear this off
Right, because it wants to reapply.
Yeah, so you can, yeah, when it gets too hot, it wants to reapply, yeah. So you get that crap out of the way. Sticky as crap.
So you guys get an idea there of, you know, what it looks like and the process. It really is a testament to the paint on this car, though. I mean, it's unbelievable that it withstands so much abuse, because we did this side already. And you can see we took the clear coat off, and the paint it's perfect, you know. And scraping on it with hard plastic scrapers, and really not caustic. I mean, 91% isn't really caustic, but that's why we didn't use acetone or mineral spirits or anything else, because the paint on this car is phenomenal. You know, this car's all 100% original paint. So, all right, that's our garage tip for today.